to be candid, life was quite tough. We were born in a place called Alagomeji, 29 Monday Street. I think I had a few videos of that.
Yeah.
I went there sometime this year. It's still the same old house. Life was tough. Unfortunately, my elder sister opened the store for my mom in Ikeja, restaurant, and everything took a turn around. My father died, at barely a 15-year-old boy, and the house that we call a home, which was our shop then, a very small space where people cannot sit to face each other, they sit to face the wall. So we're kicked out of the place by the landlord and found ourselves under the bridge.
You were under the bridge?
Yes.
In Lagos?
In Lagos.
How come I've never...
It's online,
From the bustling streets of Lagos to the serene skylines of Enugu, from waterfront wonders in Victoria Island to sprawling estates in Abuja, a quiet revolution has been taking place. And at the heart of it is the enterprising spirit of the Igbo people. Today on Ebony People TV, we take you deep into the lives of Igbo billionaires who have redefined Nigerian real estate, from Fabien Chikuba's low-cost housing in Abuja to Paul Onwanibe's landmark projects in Lagos. Their journeys will inspire you and perhaps challenge you to dream bigger. Dr. Fabien Chikuba, born in 1960 in Nnewi South, Anambra State, he was not born into wealth. His early life was shaped by the lessons of hard work, honesty, and the fear of God taught by his parents. Fabien's rise began in the 1980s, not in glass offices, but in the dusty stalls of building material markets in Kano. Trading for his elder brother, he learned the discipline and the resilience required to survive in Nigeria's volatile economy. After moving to Abuja in 1992, he made a decision that would change everything, buying land cheaply in the then remote area of Idu. His simple 4-bedroom home soon became 10 self-contained flats, rented out for steady income. He quickly realized real estate could create wealth faster than most trades. Fast forward 4 decades, EFAB Properties is now a household name in Abuja, with estates dotting the city and housing thousands of Nigerians. His company has built affordable housing for middle and low-income earners, staying true to his belief that a house is not a luxury, but a necessity. Fabien's empire extends into hotels, petroleum, and banking. Despite his 104 billion naira estimated net worth, he is known for his humility and philanthropy, funding education for thousands through the Chikeluba Education Scholarship Foundation. At number 2 is Dr. Augustine Oyama, CEO of P1 Group. If Fabien Chikuba built home, Dr. Augustine Oyama built opportunities. Born in Osu, Imo State, this University of Lagos graduate co-founded P1 Homes, the world's first real estate network marketing company. His nickname, Mr. Empowerment, is not just for show. Under his leadership, P1 has grown into over 30 affiliate companies, creating jobs for thousands and turning ordinary Nigerians into property owners and real estate partners. P1's innovative property wealth network model made it possible for people without millions in the bank to start owning land, building homes, and generating steady income. From a single office in Lagos to branches across Nigeria and even the United States, Augustine's story is a testament to the power of innovation and inclusive growth. Chief Obiora Chime is a third on our list. In Enugu, Chief Obiora Chime stands as a statesman of the real estate sector with over 40 years of experience. His Copen Group operates in construction, banking, agriculture, and manufacturing. As chairman of the Presidential Task Team on Land Reform and former national president of the Real Estate Developers Association of Nigeria, REDAN, Chime's influence extends beyond his company. His projects focus on affordability, mentorship, and poverty alleviation, proving that large-scale development can still carry a human face. Paul Onwanibe, Landmark Africa Group CEO. If Abuja is a Fab's domain, then Lagos waterfront belongs to Dr. Paul. Born in London to Nigerian parents from Owerri North, Imo State, Paul's Landmark Africa Group is behind Landmark Village, a sprawling mixed-use development featuring hotels, offices, retail and leisure attractions. His vision is global, bringing world-class destinations to Nigeria and placing Lagos firmly on the map as a lifestyle and business hub. Moving on to the next spot is Ned Okungwa.
Go to the hotel, there's an artwork done by a very famous artist in Abuja. The artwork in the hotel depicts my story. You can imagine when you wake up in the morning and you need to shower very early before the bus stop gets bustling.
Everybody is sharing one bathroom.
There's no bathroom, it's under the bridge. If you don't shower very early before people start coming out, you have to forget it for the day. Subsequent to that, my sister took me in to finish my secondary school. Then my cousin came and took me in and he gave me a roof. From that moment when I had a roof over my head, everything changed. And that's why I always tell people, if you want to find a man's true ambition, his vision for life and himself, give him a good roof. If you give a man a good roof over his head, his story changes for the better. So from the point when I had a good roof over my head, my vision of who I was, who I can become, changed for the better.
After Kennedy, Ned Okungwa from Ojoto in Anambra State started Ned Comwax with zero capital in 2007. Today, his projects redefine luxury in Lagos. Beyond profits, Kennedy is known for philanthropy, sponsoring sports, tournaments, and tech entrepreneurship programs. His story embodies the start small, dream big philosophy. Prove that the size of your starting capital does not determine the height of your achievement. We then have Nicholas Okachuku. Owele Dr. Prince Nicholas Chukwujeku Okachuku is a real estate giant and politician from Osume, Nnewi South. His Prince and Princess Estate is a landmark in Abuja, and his SNECOU group has interest in oil, agriculture, and education. With deep philanthropic roots, Okachuku has invested in schools, universities, and mass housing, impacting thousands of lives, both home and abroad. Others continuing the legacy are Kennedy Nnadi, CEO Penec Nigerian Limited, driving urban expansion in Lagos. Then we have Lambert Ago, the Enugu State Housing Development Corporation, leading state-driven housing projects. Then there's Chinedu Nweke, the Periwinkle CEO, transforming waterfront properties into premium communities. These men are more than property developers. They're architects of dreams, laying bricks not just for buildings, but for the aspirations of millions. From Enugu to Lagos, Abuja to Port Harcourt, their projects stand as monuments to the Igbo spirit of enterprise, undaunted by challenges, always moving forward. And as Nigeria's cities continue to grow, the legacy of these Igbo billionaires will remain etched in the skylines they helped create.